Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you, or we'll be looking at, the top crypto coins that we can invest in and make a huge profit. Right? So if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do what to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. So let's quickly dive into that. If you are using Bybit Exchange, it's okay. And if you are also using other exchanges as KuCoin, Huobi, and the others, is still okay. So let's quickly do this. The first thing you just need to do, make sure you have all those exchanges, one of those exchange verified. And you're going to navigate yourself to your KuCoin app. Right? Let me quickly take you to the KuCoin app. So you will navigate yourself to the KuCoin app. And we're going to look at some of those coins that are below 1 USDT, which is the best place to invest your fund for now. All right. So the best place to invest your coin for now is those coins that are below 1 USDT. So how do you find them? You can see the total market cap over 2 trillions. The volume 78 billions. And the dominance is 60%, which is BTC. Fear and greed is 50. So let's quickly dive into that. All you just need to do is to come to this top, if it shows you this way. For you to get the proper view, make sure you go straight to your app. Go straight through the app. Okay, so let's look at those ones. Click on this 10. If you click on this top 10 rankings, you're going to navigate yourself down here, but because what you are going to look at is the meme coin. Not just meme coin, but those meme coins that are below 1 USDT. Okay, that are below 1 USDT. So let's look at it. If you open it, you can see that Dogecoin is currently on the move with a market cap of 23.96 billion. A very good one, right? You can see it here. It took its move from 0.0 something, and here is it today. All right. And the next one is Shiba. Shiba has also taken a very high move. It has been positive in these past few days. It's something to buy as well. You can talk about the paper. Those ones are the high coin in the industry. They are the high coin in the memes industry. You can see this one also still living with 5 zeros. You can see Bonk as well. You can see Bonk. Bonk is also going to do well, and it's on its way to do well with a market cap of 1.37 billion. This is a good one, right? Then you can also look at Floki. Okay, you can use any of those exchanges to search for those coins and invest in, but do not invest much more than you can lose. Invest a little and see it turn out. But the highest people who are going to make a lot of fun here is people that take a very big risk. So for you to be rich, you must take a very big risk. Where people are scared, that is where you should dive in. Okay, so let's look at other one. The other one I want us to look at here is Brett, because it's on its way to 1 billion as well, to 1 billion market cap. Okay, you can also look at the Mu coin, all right, and also the Mog. So I would love to stop on those coin listing today, so that in my next class we'll look at more list of those coins, okay, that will be able to generate you a lot of fund when you invest in, which is why I suggested the meme coin, and which is why I also suggest the meme coin that are below 1 USDT. I also insist on the meme coin with a lot of zeros. Okay, so let's look at this Shiba. If you look at this Shiba, its market is also currently green. It took its high move from 0.5016 to 17. You can see, which was all this happened in the last 24 hours. Okay, all this happens in the last 24 hours. You can look at how it's doing. Okay, if you want to know the more details about this meme coin, which is Shiba, you can come to this about to look at it carefully and see what next. You can also come to news. Okay, you can also come to news to see what exactly they're talking about. Shiba Inu records 6 trillion token transfer in 24 hours, indicating strategic investor activity and also potential market movement. Shiba Inu bounce rate spike 253%. Wow. It has been doing well in the past 24 hours. ChatGPT predicted Shiba Inu price for November 30th, 2024. You can also look at all this to see what exactly is going on. So I don't want this video to be too long. I would love to stop here. I will see in my next class. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.